Good morning, students. Welcome to your online lecture. Myself, Miss Pooja. I am going to teach you the subject English. I welcome all my dear students after your Ganpati vacations. This is your first lecture of English after your Ganesh Utsav vacations, your holidays. So, students, how are you all? Have you all enjoyed your holidays? Done your homework? I hope so. Most of the students have completed their homework. Yes or no, students? Yes. So, in our today's lecture, online lecture, we are going to learn a new lesson from our English Bal Bharati textbook. Can you guess which lesson we are going to learn? What can you see in your mobile screen flashing? Yes, you can see the picture of animals. Yes or no, students? Yes. In our previous online lecture, before Ganesh Utsav holidays, we have learnt our lesson Jungle Safari. And again, in this lesson, we are going to learn more about the animals, their shelters, their sound. So, in today's lecture, we are going to learn a new lesson from our Unit 3. Are you all ready, students? Okay, let us begin with our new lesson. Subject English, Standard First. Students, before starting the lesson, I request all the students to open your English Bal Bharati textbook, your combined book number 2, and your English notebook and a pencil with you for referring today's online lecture, today's lesson. So, are you all ready, students? Okay, let us have a look to our lesson. Our today's lesson that we are going to learn is lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. In English subject, as we are studying Unit 3. So, our today's lesson number 4 is Let's Know. K-N-O-W. No. K is silent, student. So, do not pronounce it now. It is K-N-O-W. No. Let's know more about animals. So, be ready with your textbook. Before starting the lesson, I would like to give you a short introduction about the meaning of the lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. In this lesson, you are going to learn more about animals. Which animal, students? Yes, you are going to learn about wild animals, and in this lesson, few more new things you are going to learn, that is the names of the animals, the shelter of the animals. What is shelter? Shelter means house. You are going to learn the name of the houses in which animals stay and the sounds of the animal. What is the sound? Yes, sounds are the voice that are made by the animals. So, these 3 important things you are going to learn in our today's lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. So, let us start with our lesson. Students, open your English Bal Bharati textbook. So students, have you all opened your English Bal Bharti textbook? Yes. The students which are not having the textbook with them, they can just download the application which is available in the group. The link is given. From that application, Maharashtra State Board textbooks are available on that application. You can download it and you can show it to the students. Also, you can refer and you can study easily. So, those who are not having it, kindly download the link and the application so that it will be helpful for the students. So let us begin with our unit 3. So before starting our lesson, let us have a look inside the book, that is our index page. So students, as you all are knowing, we are studying unit 3. In unit 3, we have completed our poem number 1, Bhav Vav. Then our second topic, Jungle Safari. Third lesson, lesson number 3, Toto the Hen. And in today's online lecture, we are going to learn lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. So, open unit 3, lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. Students, have you all opened page number 28? Open page number 2828 of your English Bal Bharti textbook. Lesson number 4. Let's know more about animals. So, here, as I discussed with you in this lesson, we are going to learn about the animals, the shelters, the sounds. So, you all know the names of the animals, yes or no? Yes. Most of the students are knowing the animal's name. But what is shelter? Shelters is new. Yes or no, students, for you all? Shelters and sounds. Shelters means houses in which animals stay. As all the animals are different from each other, all the animals are different, as you can see. Some are wild, some are domestic, and each animal are unique. So they have their own shelter. Shelter means house. So we are going to learn the name of the animals, their houses, that is shelters in which they stay, and sounds. Sounds means the animals which make the sounds. So we are going to learn this new 2 things, that is shelters and sounds, in this lesson. So look, listen and read. I am going to read the main important names of the animals, the shelters and the sounds. So you are going to repeat the animal's name, the shelter's name and the sounds. So students, keep a pencil in your hand. So we are going to start studying the animal, shelters, sounds. So students, the animals. The first animal is hen. H-E-N, hen. You know hen? Yes. Where do hen live? Hen lives in farm. Yes or no? In the previous lecture we have learnt about the hen. The Toto, the hen was a lesson's name. Hen lays eggs. Yes or no? Shelters. Coop. The house of the hen is called as coop. C-O-O-P. Coop. The house in which the hen lives, the shelter means the house of the hen is C-O-O-P. Coop. Sounds. C-L-U-C-K. Cluck. The hen makes the sound cluck. C-L-U-C-K. Cluck. So again I am repeating. The first one is animals, hen, H-E-N, hen. Shelters, coop, C-O-O-P, coop. Sounds, C-L-U-C-K, cluck. Second one is horse. Horse is also a domestic animal. H-O-R-S-E, horse. The shelter of the horse is stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Shelter means the house of the horse. The shelter of the horse is called as stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. You can see the picture of the stable. Sounds. N-E-I-G-H, knee. Horse makes the sound knee, knee. Yes or no? Yes. So the second animal was horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Shelter is stable, S-T-A-B-L-E, stable, and the sounds is knee, N-E-I-G-H, knee. The third animal is a pet animal, dog. Yes or no? Everyone knows dog and everyone have seen the dog also. Yes or no? Dogs are pet animal. They are kept as a pet at a home. Why? You know, students, because dog guards our house. So the third animal is dog, D-O-G, dog. The shelter of the dog is kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Where does the dog lives? The dog lives in kennel. The house, the shelter of the dog is called as kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Sounds. Now everyone is knowing the sound of the dog? Yes. B-A-R-K, bark. The sound of the dog is bark, B-A-R-K, bark. The animal is dog. Shelter is kennel, K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. And the sound is bark, B-A-R-K, bark. The fourth animal is lion, L-I-O-N, lion. Now lion is a wild animal. Yes or no, students? Yes. Lion lives in a jungle, in a forest, and he eats flesh and other animals. So he is a wild animal. What is the shelter of the lion? Where does the lion live? The house, the shelter of lion is den, D-E-N, den. And the sounds of the lion is roar, R-O-A-R, roar. So the animal name is lion Lion, lion. The shelter is den, den, den. And the sound is roar, roar, roar. So we have studied here the hen, animal hen, hen, hen. Shelter is coop, coop, coop. Sound is cluck, cluck, cluck. Second, we have learned horse, horse, horse. Shelter, stable, stable, stable. Sound, knee, nigh, knee. Third, we have learnt dog, dog, animal dog. Shelter, kennel, kennel, kennel. Sounds, bark, bark. Fourth one, we have learnt the animal name lion, lion, lion. Shelter, den, den. And the sound roar, roar, roar. The fifth one is the animal is elephant, elephant, elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. He also lives in the jungle. Yes or no? Elephant, you have seen, students. He is a very big and huge animal and also a wild animal. Shelter. What is the shelter of the elephant? Shelter means the house of the elephant is jungle. jungle, jungle. And the sound that elephant makes is trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. Elephant makes the sound trumpet. So the animal name is elephant, elephant, elephant. The shelter, the house of the elephant is jungle, jungle, jungle. And the sound is trumpet, trumpet, trumpet. The sixth one is bee, bee. This is an insect. Yes or no? Bee. You know bee? Who is a bee? Bee means honey bee. Yes. bee. She is an insect. Shelter. Where does the bee live? The bee lives in bee hive. Beehive. Beehive. And the sound is buzz. 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 So the animal name is bee. Bee. Shelter. Shelter means the house of the bee is beehive. And the sound is buzz. The seventh one is mouse. mouse, mouse. Now students, you all have seen the mouse running here and there in the house. Yes or no? Yes. He is a tiny creature who runs everywhere in the house. So the animal name is mouse. What is the shelter? Hole, hole, hole. Mouse lives in the hole. And the sound of the mouse is squeak, squeak, squeak. The animal name is mouse. The shelter of the mouse is hole, hole, hole. And the sound is squeak, squeak, squeak. The last animal is duck, duck. The shelter of the duck is Water. 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 Where does the duck lives? Duck lives in water. You all have seen in the pictures. Yes or no? Yes. Duck swims. Duck lives in the water. Sound of the duck is quack quack. So Quack. Quack. How does the duck makes the sound? Quack. 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 So here we have learnt the animal elephant, shelter, jungle and the sound trumpet. The next was bee. We have learnt the animal bee, shelter, beehive and the sound buzz. The next mouse, animal mouse, shelter hole and sound squeak. The last one, animal duck, the shelter, water and the sound quack. Students, I hope you all have understood the shelter and the sounds of the animals. Shelter means the house of the animal and sounds, that is the animals which makes the sound, is called as sounds of the animals. So I am going to repeat it again loudly. You have to repeat along with me. Animals. First one is hen. Shelter, coop. COOP, coop. Sound, cluck. CLUCK, cluck. Second one is horse. Shelter, stable. STABLE, stable. Sound is knee. NEIGH, knee. Third one is dog. DOG, dog. Shelter, kennel. KENNEL, kennel. Sound is bark. BARK, bark. Fourth one is lion. LION, lion. Shelter is den. DEN, den. And sound is roar. ROAR, roar. The next is animal is elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. Shelter is jungle. JUNGLE, jungle. And the sound is trumpet. TRUMPET, trumpet. The next is bee. BEE. Shelter is beehive. BEEHIVE, beehive. And the sound is buzz. BUZZ, buzz. The next is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Shelter is hole. HOLE, hole. And the sound is squeak. SQUEAK, squeak. The last is animal is duck. DUCK, duck. Shelter is water. WATER, water. And the sound is quack. QUACK, quack. So students, in your exams, the question might have asked that animal's name will be given. You have to write the shelters and the sound's name, or else you have to learn the shelter names very properly, as the animal's name will be given, or shelter names will be asked, or animal's name will be given. Sounds of the animals can be asked. So the question in the both the way may be asked to you all. You must remember the shelters and the sounds of the animals. So learn it properly and by heart it and practice the name of the shelters and the sounds. So question number 1 is completed. Question number 2 is let's talk. Let's talk is a conversation among two person. Conversation means it is a talk between a boy called as Sunny and a girl called as Rani. There are two persons in this talk. Sunny is a boy, Rani is a girl. Sunny. Now Sunny is saying, hello Rani. Now Rani, hi Sunny. Then Sunny. Sunny is saying, can you make the sound of a dog? Sunny is asking to Rani, can you make the sound of a dog? Do you know the sound of a dog? He is asking to Rani. Now Rani is saying, yes, I can. Can you make the sound of an elephant? Now Rani is saying to Sunny, yes, I can make the sound of a dog. Can you make the sound of an elephant? Now Rani is questioning. Rani is asking to Sunny, can you make the sound? What is the sound of an elephant? Can you make the sound and show? Sunny is answering, no, I can't. He is saying, no, I can't. So students, y'all, the teacher can ask in the exam. So y'all have to answer it properly. If the question is asked, can you tell me the sound of an elephant? So, what is the sound of an elephant, students? Yes, trumpet. So, you should answer the sound of an elephant is trumpet. What is the sound of a duck? If I ask you, yes, you can say the sound of a duck is quack. The next question, students, can you tell me the sound of a dog? Yes, dog barks. Yes or no, student? The sound of a dog is the dog barks bow wow. Then, can you tell me the sound of a lion? Lion roars. R-O-A-R, roars. Yes. So, the question can be asked in this way, or it may be asked the name of the shelter. Can you name the shelter of a horse? What is the shelter of a horse? Where does the horse live? Horse lives in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. Where does the lion live? Lion lives in a den. D-E-N, den. Where does the duck lives? Duck lives in the water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Where does the mouse live? Mouse lives in the hole. So you have to answer it. So our lesson number 4, let's know more about animals, is completed. Do learn the lesson and practice the names of the shelter and sounds. Thank you students for watching today's online lecture. Stay connected for the next lecture. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and do be connected for the next lecture. Thank you.